Okay, so we are just about ready to make some elephant toothpaste. I have my solution of hydrogen peroxide and food coloring and some dish soap, a little bit more hydrogen peroxide, and I am stirring up a yeast with warm water. So this is already reacting on its own. Before I pour it in there, I'll explain a few things. So basically, um, the reason why we are going to see elephant toothpaste created is because hydrogen peroxide, it's actually H2O2, and so when it decomposes, it decomposes into H2O and O2, oxygen, and that's the reason why it's in this amber bottle, because it does start to decompose when exposed to light. It's a very slow process, but it will happen over time. But yeast can be used as a catalyst for that decomposition, decomposition. And again, a catalyst is something that can be used to speed up a reaction, but it's not used up in the reaction. And so that's what yeast will do. And during this, it is going to, so when I pour it in there, it's going to be used as a catalyst. So it the yeast contains a certain catalyst, which is going to react with the hydrogen peroxide. And the reason it's going to create bubbles is, again, H2O and O2 will be created, but there is some dish soap in here which is going to create some surface tension and is going to trap that O2. So it's going to create bubbles, and it's going to, the O2 is going to rise with the bubbles, and the reason for that is it is an exothermic reaction, so energy is being released, not used up. So let's see if we can do, oh, I forgot to mention that this is only 3%, which is the common thing found in drugstores. So it's probably the higher concentration of hydrogen peroxide, obviously bigger reaction, so it's not going to be as big of a reaction, but see what we can do. There we go. Getting some bubbles created. So because I have a larger lid, it actually looks more like a volcano than elephant toothpaste. But yeah, as you can see, it is creating, it did decompose the hydrogen peroxide pretty quickly and created that H2 and O2. Again, the O2 being trapped in the bubbles of the detergent. So yeah, that's kind of cool. And probably will keep going here, more of a lot of than elephant toothpaste, but and then the green color is obviously from the food colorings that you can take a look at the reaction.